A very good evening to all of you. Today we are going to do some of the very important MCQs for the prelims from the subject of polity and the latest changes in the scenarios. So legal scenarios. Let us begin with the first multiple choice question of prelims. Under which section of BNS 2023 the offense of rape is defined? Section 63, Section 64, Section 210, and none. What do you think is the correct answer here? Well, the correct answer here is Section 63. The offense of rape is defined under Section 63 of BNS 2023. Hence, the option A is correct answer. Under Section 341 of BNSS, when must the court assign an advocate at state expense? Only when accused requests. B. When the accused has sufficient means. C. When accused is not represented by an advocate and doesn't have sufficient means. Only in appeal cases. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer here is C. When the accused is not represented by an advocate and doesn't have sufficient means. Section 341, subsection 1 of BNSS mandates court-assigned advocates when accused is not represented and lacks sufficient means to engage an advocate. Hence, the option C is correct answer. So it is section 341, subsection 1. Let us move on to the next question. Under which section of BNSS 2023 states the provision for police officers' powers to investigate cognizable cases? Section 176, Section 175, Section 210, none of the above. What do you think the correct answer here is? Under which section of BNSS 2023 states the provision for police officers' powers to investigate a cognizable case? The correct answer here is B. Section 175 of BNSS 2023 states the provision for police officers' power to investigate a cognizable case. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Which provision of BNSS 2023 deals with anticipatory bail? 480, 482, 490, none of the above. What do you think is the correct answer here? Correct answer here is 480 of BNSS. Please click the link in the description box to join the ultimate 2-day IAS Breakthrough Blueprint Masterclass. Section 482 of BNSS deals with anticipatory bail. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Which of the following section of BNSS 2023 deals with provision for filing of a closure report by the police officer investigation? 189, 200, 210, none of the above. Correct answer here is section A. Section 189 of BNSS 2023 deals with provision for filing of closure report by the investigating police officer. So option A is the correct answer. Which Criminal Law Amendment Act raised the age of consent from 16 to 18, implying that sexual intercourse by an adult with a girl below 18 would amount to rape, irrespective of presence of consent in a given case? Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2012. The correct answer here is A, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013. Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 raised the age of consent from 16 to 18, implying that sexual intercourse by an adult with a girl below 18 would amount to rape, irrespective of presence of consent in a given case. Which of the following organization is responsible for overseeing the implementation of GRAP? National Green Tribunal, Central Pollution Control Board, Commission for Air Quality Management, Ministry of Environment. Correct answer here is C, Commission for Air Quality Management. The implementation of GRAP, that is Graded Response Action Plan, is overseen by Commission of Air Quality Management CAQM through its subcommittee. The CAQM, that is Commission for Air Quality Management, is specifically tasked with monitoring air quality data and meteorological forecasts to decide when to evoke different stages of GRAP. The subcommittee under CAQM has authority to implement various stages based on AQI levels and forecast, making it primary body responsible for GRAP's implementation in Delhi NCR and adjoining areas. Neither the National Green Tribunal, Central Pollution Control Board, nor the Ministry of Environment directly oversees the GRAP implementation. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Which landmark judgment lays down the plea of adverse possession cannot be made by state against the property of private citizens? Vidya Devi versus State of Himachal Pradesh 2020. Hemaji Wagaji Jat versus Bhikabai Khengar Bhai Harijan and others 2018. 8. Manindranath Bose versus Balram Chandra Patni and others 1973. Correct answer here is A, Vidya Devi versus State of Himachal Pradesh 2020. In case of Vidya Devi versus State of Himachal Pradesh 2020, the court held that plea of adverse possession cannot be made by state against the property of private citizen. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Which section of BNSS 2023 deals with provision of prosecution for contempt of lawful authority of public servants for offences against public justice and for offences relating to documents given in evidence? Section 215, Section 480, Section 473. The correct answer here is Section 215. Section 215 of BNSS 2023 deals with provisions of prosecution for contempt of lawful authority of public servants for offences against public justice and for offences relating to document given in evidence. Hence, option A is the correct answer. As per Section 215 of BNSS 2023, who all can take the cognizance? A. Concerned public servant, administrative subordinate public servant authorized by concerned public servant, all of the above. Correct answer here is D, all the above. Concerned public servant, administrative subordinate public servant authorized by concerned public servant, all of the above. As per Section 215 of BNSS 2023, the following persons can take the cognizance: concerned public servant, administratively subordinate public servant authorized by concerned public servant. Hence, option D is the correct answer.